How to change username on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your username on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now the first step is open up your Snapchat. After you've opened up your Snapchat, you can see your Bitmoji on the top left corner. Tap on it and now you're on your profile. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your settings. To head over to your settings, you should see the gear icon on the top right corner. Tap on that and you will see your username there. Tap on your username and right there you will see the change username option. And on the top, you'll also find out that you can only change your username once a year. So if you have already changed your username, you cannot change it before a year. So you'll have to wait for a year from the time you've changed your username, and after a year you will be able to change your username. So to change it, just tap on the change username option and then simply change your username. And after you've changed your username, you can tap on next, and then you will have to type in a password, and then you're basically good to go. That is how you can change your username in Snapchat, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.